Hey y'all, I am using my slow cooker today. I have a feeling that a lot of y'all out there, especially working mothers and women, uh, like to slow cook because they can go off to work and when they come home, their dinner is ready, uh, which is good. It will take a helping hand any way we can get it. So today I'm going to do stuffed bell peppers. And I'm going to start with my ground beef, a wild rice. That's 2 cups, I believe. Crushed tomatoes. No, these are not crushed. These are diced. Diced tomatoes. Cheese. This is going to be really good, y'all. And I'm going to add my onions, which is going to give it so much flavor. My seasonings. A little red pepper flakes. And now I'm going to add my egg. I'll beat it up just a little bit. This is sounding a little bit like meatloaf, isn't it? And walnuts. That little crunch is going to be so good in there, y'all. Now, I took off my rings because this is going to have to be done by hand in order for me to get it really, really mixed up. Get all those flavors in there together. Okay, I think I've got that mixed up really, really well. Now we are going to stuff our peppers with our mixture. I've got my crock pot on high. This is just a meal in itself, y'all. It's got everything you need, your protein, your carb. The rice, is your starch. And your vegetables. I added a little bit of ground nutmeg, but I forgot to add the salt and the pepper. So I emptied what I had done out, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to add some salt, about a half a teaspoon, and a little bit of pepper. Now we can stuff them. Okay, I've got our crock pot heating up, and now this recipe called for 6 peppers, y'all, but only 5 would fit in my crock pot. So, and I got 1 pepper that's crooked. So I'm going to have to kind of prop him up. Whoa. Don't you hate a crooked pepper? Okay, so look in there, Eddie. See how good that looks? Now we're going to take our 2 cups of chicken stock and the other half a can of our tomatoes. Whoa, 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 Paula. Whoa. I made a mess. So we're just going to cover our peppers with the rest of our ingredients. Okay. And I didn't get it all in there, I don't think. Yeah, I got almost all of it while I was making my mess. Y'all, I can use 6 pots to make a hot dog, and that ain't no lie. My husband can attest to it. All right, this looks wonderful, y'all. I'm going to cover it, and we're going to cook this on high for 5 to 6 hours. And then we're going to have a wonderful, wonderful meal with very little effort on my part and yours. Okay. They are ready. So how wonderful is this to come in from work, a long, hard day, and have this put on your plate for dinner. It's got everything in it that you need to sustain your body and taste good too. And it's hot as blue blazes, y'all. Oh my gosh. Looks so good. Looks so good. And that pepper, look at that pepper. The skin will come right off of that pepper. You don't even have to cut it. It'll just come right off. And you can get in and just pull that pepper away. That is so good. So good.
How is it with the nut? Can you taste the nuts?
Not yet. I hadn't had a big enough bite to taste nuts, but I can't wait because I'm going to love that crunch. Still no nut. Only nut here is you and me, Eddie. Oh, that's really hot. I do want a nut so bad, and I found one. It was right there on top.
Say I air fried the little patty that was left.
Oh, you did?
Earlier.
Good.
And it was good. I loved the wild rice with the nut and
And I love the fact that, the skin is kind of hard to cut through, but you can just peel it right on off. Delicious. If y'all hadn't thought about this dish in a long time, give it a try. I just caught a little heat in the back of my throat from the red pepper flakes. Not much, but just a little. Delicious, y'all. If you hadn't tried it, try it. Because it makes it so easy just throwing it in that slow cooker and letting that slow cooker do all the work and leave you alone. I tell people all the time, I'm going to do something that the devil won't do. And they'll say, what's that? And I'll say, leave you alone. Ain't that devil on our heels all the time? Well, y'all have a blessed day. And I send you love and best dishes. I hope you like it. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.